Hello and welcome back to our vintage farmhouse kitchen. On this video, we are taking you along for some Valentine's decorating. Last Valentine's, our kitchen was under construction, so it has been so fun to be able to put some festive touches on for this Valentine's season. I got the heart with the little lights at Hobby Lobby along with the heart swag and the rose flower lights that are around the cutting board. I put this little vase with baby's breath and a candle beside the stove. And I do have to give warning, I left the candle burning and went back later to find the baby's breath a little brown, and I was so thankful that it did not start a fire in our new kitchen. So I am not burning that candle anywhere near the baby's breath now, but it did look awfully cute. Well, it was a challenge to get up to the top shelf, but here you can see me putting a plate and a picture that my mother gave to me, and the colors really tie in with the pinks that I was using in the new kitchen, and it gave just the needed touch up there at the top. The cute grapevine wreath heart came from Hobby Lobby, and I thought that added a sweet touch on the decor shelves. Also the heart, the beaded heart with the flowers, also from Hobby Lobby. In speaking of the love of God, Charles Spurgeon said, "Never did his love begin, and never can it cease. It is from eternity and shall be to eternity." Here I am putting a little tea set that I thrifted in Ohio a year or two ago up on the top shelf of our decor shelf where we keep our cups and glasses and things like that next to the refrigerator water dispenser. And the tea set has the pink flowers that really bring out that Valentine's pink, which I thought was so pretty. And then this little wooden heart my husband gave me this year for Valentine's, and I'm enjoying that as well.